mis amigos, and welcome back to mi canal. So yeah, we are back and it's almost Valentine's Day. And hey guys, bienvenidos a mi canal. For those that don't know me, mi nombre es Veronica, and thank you for my new subscribers. And hey guys, bienvenidos a mi canal. To those people that have just subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and the people that hopefully will subscribe at the end of this video or in between, be like, girl, I'm subscribed. If y'all want to see this Valentine's Day look, well, let's go ahead and keep on watching, and let's go ahead and get started so y'all can see how I do these eyes and how I do this face. So let's go ahead and keep on watching, guys, and thank you. Okay guys, so I already went ahead and did my left eye off camera. I just want to show you how it's supposed to or is gonna look. So that's it right there. So I'll do this one with you on camera and just show you how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and with this one right here, which is the Venetian red. Okay, so I'm gonna grab just a little bit, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I want to outline it. So I want it, of course, like more opened eye. So I'm gonna start from right there and just gonna go over and out. So yeah, it looks a little weird, but that's how it's supposed to look. So again, I'll go over it one more time. Okay, and sorry if y'all hear noise, I'm so sorry, but it is raining. So anywho, so I'm gonna go in with this Leche brush, the 231, and yeah, you can tell how old it is because just how I use it a lot. And what I'm gonna do is just kind of blend it. So just blend it, blend, blend, blend. It doesn't matter if it goes down, it doesn't matter if it goes up, just as long as you blend it. It doesn't matter if the harsh line is still there because that really doesn't matter right now. Just blend it as much as you can, and actually more upward would be the best, just because that way you have some of that red color up here. Okay guys, so after that, after you blended it with the same flat brush, which I'm sorry I forgot to tell you, it's by You Spicy, and I'm pretty sure I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go in with this one right here. And what I'm gonna do is kind of outline the same way I already did. See? And then after you outline it, because like I said, it doesn't matter if it goes a little bit more lower because we will cut it and clean it and all that. Same brush with the Leche brush, just blend. Okay, then when you have blended that one, we are going to go ahead and same step with this black one. Well, I think it's like black, it's like a charcoal color. Anyways, this dark one in the Jaclyn Hill palette, we'll do the same step. Okay, so the reason that I do this, and I will tell y'all, is because you are going from a light, kind of medium color, and then a dark. I feel like it blends more that way than if you putting that light color and then the dark, and then you really can't blend it because there's no medium to that. So if that makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, and we'll blend it out. And like I said, this doesn't even matter if it comes down lower. We will clean all that. Just don't go too hot. Okay guys, and then for this step, you can use a clean brush. This one, I did use it for a transition color, but there is no product on it. But what we'll do is, you can kind of do this. I'm sorry, I can't even talk. And it just kind of blends that red more so it doesn't have too much of a harsh line. So like up here, like this. That's just an extra step you can take. You don't have to do it, but it just kind of helps sometimes so it doesn't look too harsh. Okay, so then we get, well, what I'm gonna do is cut the crease. So this is the MAC Pro Long Concealer, and this one is in NW30. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this little flat brush right here, and this one is like Dormy makeup. I'm not 100% sure. I did get it off on Amazon as well. I get a lot of stuff on Amazon Prime, baby. Anyways, so then what we'll do, we'll just go ahead and cut crease. So I'm going to tell you right here, I do cut it over here. Just because I like that more open look. Right here, see that? And then we're going to go over. I'm going to try to get closer so y'all can see. And like that. That's all you have to do. And then right here, I usually just go down like that. Because this all right here, it doesn't even matter. We clean all this at the end. Okay guys, so after I'm done cutting the crease like this, I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette again. And I am going to go in with this one right here. So I'll do it on both sides, and then this one right here. So what I did is I did wet my brush. This brush is from Dormy 2 Makeup, Amazon, and I used this Catrice makeup setting spray, and I'm just going to apply it all on my lid. Everywhere that I cut the crease, I'm applying this. So when I get here, it doesn't even matter. It's like I go crazy. Like I'm like, oh, back here? Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't do it all like that, but I do have fun because it doesn't matter. I clean all that up. So all this doesn't even matter. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with this En Masse Roche. I'm not even sure if that's the brand or the color, but it says Makeup Love 2 as well. So these little things, I did get them on Amazon. And it's just a little powder, so it kind of looks like that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is with the same brush that I did this color right here on my lid, I am going to spray it. Ooh. And then I'm going to go into this color, which is just going to look like that. It's just a powder. And what I'm going to do is just apply it kind of on the outer part and into the middle. So all this right here. Like I said, all that doesn't matter. That is why I do my foundation last. And then I'm going to go out. And I'm going to try to leave a little bit of that white color. So the best way to do this color right here is to pat it in. Because it's kind of loose shadow, so just pat it in. So yeah, I know that doesn't even look like that, but it will. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London and draw away. So, whew, okay, watch. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX liquid liner, and I think it's in Crystal Pink. So it's kind of like a pinky purple color. It looks like this, a little brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go, because I don't want all glitter on this, and I know that's not something I would say, but I wanted more attention on the cut crease and the colors and the way it is, but I do want glitter, of course. So what we'll do is just apply over the rainbow. No, I'm just kidding. Over the wing liner. Okay. Okay, why my eyelash glue is drying, because I'm using this Star glue. Got it on eBay. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this part so I can do the eyelash and then start with my foundation. So, see all this? I'm just gonna go on the bottom of my wing and just clean all that. So like I said, all of that really doesn't even matter. I don't really even have to do this step, but I do it just so it makes it easier when I'm applying my foundation. And I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know if y'all can tell, I am gonna go with these lashes right here in the 205. Oh, these are amazing. So just gonna add some mascara. And this is the Maybelline Lash Waterproof, just a Maybelline. Really, I don't think any mascara, I think, just doesn't really matter. So these are the lashes. Ooh, I got a mustache. Okay. And let's go ahead and start with the kata, yay, face. So before I beat my face, I had to get something to drink. So I already went ahead and wet my little beauty blender, and I used the same thing, the Catrice makeup setting spray. I went ahead and put my foundation already behind my hand, and I am using the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab a little bit. I already went ahead and put moisturize my face. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Then I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Concealer and there. And I'll do it here just to be extra today, but I honestly don't apply it too much there anymore. I'm gonna go with my little same beauty blender on the other side and just dab it away. Then I'm gonna go in with my little setting powder, and this is the Airspun one, the translucent, and just apply a little bit. Sometimes I don't even do the step like this, but I do want to make it like that because it is a Valentine's Day look, so you do want to look beat, like you want to look so good on your date. You'd be like, girl, where was you at all of my life? Right here. Yeah, don't do that. You might scare him off. Well, I don't know. He might just like you the way you are. So he's a keeper. Okay. So after we look scary, you're just going to get one of these. So this one is used because I do use it with my MAC powder, and I don't leave this on too long because in the past when I did, it just did not look good on my skin. I don't know why. I don't know, but I use it a little bit just to kind of brighten and set so it doesn't look as shiny. So, but to set all the rest of the face, I do my MAC. This is my MAC medium tan mineralized skin finish. Bomb. So it looks like this. I just apply a little bit and ta-da. But like, it is like, I really like it. But yeah, so I do this to all my face. See, it just gives it like that, like I love you, like matte face. Then I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche bronze powder, and I'm gonna use this brush right here. So yes, it is dirty because I have been using it, but I'm gonna go in with that color, and ta-da! I got cheekbones, and there, and there. Try to go in after you do this, which I've noticed that I do. Do you see how dark it looks and looks like light? I mean, it is your scalp, but try to blend it in a little bit just because you don't want to look like cut crease there, you know? Okay, and then just apply a little bit down here. Okay, and then a little bit I go down the side of my nose. I don't contour my nose like whoa. I just go a little bit. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my Catrice setting spray, and this kind of sprays, I don't know if you can tell, like a lot. So every time I do this one, oh my god, I feel like it's a lot. I don't know, but anyways, I mean it's good, but it's just like it gets you. Ooh. So for my highlight, I am going to go in with the Becca Champagne Pop. And what I'm going to do on this one is just, of course, apply it here to make it look like, I don't know, like I'm like high up in the air, shining like a diamond in the sky. But, so we'll apply it there. We'll apply it here, here, and here. Sometimes I apply it here just when I'm like doing extra, and I think we should today because, well, we're gonna look extra on Valentine's. So we can just apply it there, not like a lot, because you don't want to be too shiny, because of course when you start, well, like me, I start like getting very oily, it'll do too much. So no, just a little bit, just to kind of like blend it and make it look awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and try to find a lipstick. So I'm gonna go for a scavenger hunt and see what goodies I find for this look. So for this eye look, I'll be right back. Let me go see what lipsticks I can find. Okay guys, so I'm back and I went ahead with the lip. I used this color. It is called Pink, and it's just in the knobby pink lip liner. So this one's, I got like a whole set and I got them on Amazon. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, guys, and I feel like now we gotta do this part right here just for an extra touch on the eyes. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get the same, no, I don't think I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna go ahead and with the one that we did the cut crease up here, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go in with this one right here, the same one we went to do the cut crease, and a little bit of this one up here in Love Letter, and just apply a little bit on the bottom. Just because, I mean, we gotta be a little bit more extra. And if it's like, if you're going on a if you're going on a date at night, you want to look so pretty, you know, like glam and stuff. So your makeup has to pop, especially at night. You know, if you're going out for dinner. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in back with the dark one that we went in on the Jaclyn Hill palette. And like I always do with these, I like to just go on the outer part just to darken it. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you did like this video, please thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. But yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching and just tuning in and giving me a little bit of your time just to check out this video. Thank you. And yeah guys, so thank you all so much for watching. You all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios.